Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this tutorial, we will speak about how to create, alter and drop a database in SQL Server. We can create, alter and drop database using two ways. By graphically using SQL Server Management Studio or using a query. Let's see how to create database graphically. Let's flip back to SQL Server Management Studio. Now within the Object Explorer window, you see a Databases folder. Right-click on the Databases folder and select a new database. And the moment we do that, you see a new database dialog box. All you have to do here is provide the name of the new database that you want to create. For example, let's say I want to create a database with name test and click OK. So what's going to happen now? Behind the scenes, SQL Server Management Studio is going to issue a query to have this database created for us. So if you expand the Databases folder, you should see test database created there. Now let's see how to create a database using a query. For example, let's say I want to create a database with name test2, so we write create database test2. If you expand the Databases folder, you should see test2 database created there. There are two kinds of databases: system databases and user-defined databases. System databases like master and model, these databases are provided by SQL Server installation itself. And these are required for proper functioning of the SQL Server, so they should be there. User-defined databases are the databases that we create. Now, let's speak about alter command. The alter command in SQL is used to make changes to a table, view, or the entire database. For example, let's say I want to change the name of test1 database to test3. So I will use alter database test1 modify name equals test3. We can use system stored procedure sp rename db to rename databases as write sp rename db test3 test4. Then refresh Object Explorer. You will see database test3 renamed to test4. Now, let's talk about delete databases. We can delete databases from Management Studio by right-click the database and click Delete. Let's try to delete test4 database by right-click the database and click Delete. Then refresh Databases from Object Explorer. You will see database test4 is gone. You can delete database from query using drop command. Let's try to delete test database by right drop database test. Then refresh databases from Object Explorer. You will see database test is gone. Keep note that system database can't be deleted. Let's try to delete master database. You will see an error, cannot drop the database as master because it is a system database. This is the end of this video. See you next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon.